All right, so it's been a few days, but I did get my Seeker. I haven't opened. Well, I mean, I've opened the box, but I haven't opened it for real. So this is how it came. The box itself is quite solid, so it doesn't squish. So as far as safety on the airplane, because it came over via FedEx, pretty good, pretty good. I will say though that the FedEx guy didn't ask for a signature, so it's just lucky that I was home. So bad marks for that. So let's have a look. So we got all right. So there's the phone. So interestingly, because I got the one that had the case. So there's the case and the screen protector. So interesting that the phone wasn't wrapped in bubble wrap. Just the case and the screen protector. It's not like we couldn't wrap the entire thing in bubble wrap, right? So yeah. Anyway, let's have a look. Let's have a look here. What do we got? Got here like sort of white. That now screen protector installation guide. Okay, and two. So we got two. Tell you what, this thing is really, really thick. So solid. I don't know if that's a good thing or not. We'll see how that goes. But there's two of those in there. Actions. And this must be some sort of screen protector installation guide. Before applying screen protector, please read. Use the dust absorber, which would be these things. Place the alignment tray on the phone in the correct orientation by matching the volume buttons and making okay, so this is some sort of guide. Put screen protector on. The case. It's rubbery, not hard plastic. It's quite bendy. Yeah, seems fine. Cool. So that's that. Move that over to the side for now. Phone. I've never seen a phone coming in a plastic case, bag like this. Let's see. Just rip that apart. This off. Box is good. Stuff on there. Quality box. Yep. Very rigid. So there's the phone. There's the seed vault here. Okay, so what we got here? We've got the volume rocker. It's in focus now. All right, so there's the volume rocker on that side. Down the bottom, looks like the speaker and the USB-C jack, and there's the SIM card tray. On this side, we have, this must be the thumbprint reader for the seed vault. On the top, probably a microphone of some sort. Here's the camera. You good? Do it this way so we can read the words, shall we? Put my fingers here. Right, yeah, seed vault. There's the camera. The build quality is very solid. Yeah, I like it. This is my current phone, which is the Google Pixel 5. So in terms of size, it's slightly bigger, just a little bit. So that'll give you some sort of idea of size. So, my phone's not, like an iPhone Pro Max or anything. So it's smallish. Yeah, a bit dirty, but anyway. It will be interesting to see if the camera because the camera on this is really, really good. It is helped by Google software, but this is also an Android phone. So we'll see. We'll see how it is. Yeah, that's the phone. That's the unboxing experience. Quite good. I mean, considering it's a $500 phone, like it's not supposed to be top shelf stuff. Really good. Really good quality so far. All right, now underneath the phone, where we go? Where's my charger and everything? So put that there. Underneath here. Okay. All right. So we got a quick start guide, and all right. So we got two of these things where you put your seed words on. We have a quick start guide. Slide button, finger. Okay. Volume rockers. Yep. Set up the seed vault during device setup. Choose or create and import a seed. Claim the token. Download the apps from the App Store. Okay, cool. Usage and warranty guide. General stuff. In the bottom of the box here, where we got SIM eject tool and a charging cable. USB-C charging cable. Rated. It's not, hasn't got any Solana branding on it or anything. No charger in the box. So if you were hoping for a charging brick, no brick. Lucky I have a bajillion phone chargers, so that won't be a problem. Yeah, that's about it. So I'm going to get this thing booted up and go through the whole setting up a wallet thing, and we'll do another video later when I've used the phone for a bit, and we can just do a review of how it's gone. But so far, I'm quite happy. I mean, the whole phone itself cost me nothing because of all the airdrops and things that I've gotten in the past 18 months since buying it. You got the Genesis token thing, and that allowed you to get a whole bunch of airdrops. So the phone's essentially free. So yeah, I'm looking forward to it. Should be good. All right, talk to you guys in the next video.